Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a review, but I'm going to do more of an unboxing. And then we're going to show you how I use this Saker cordless buffer and polisher. Let's get right into it. Let's see what we got. What's this? Ooh, an apron. Okay. So we have a black apron here. Kind of cool. Keeps your clothes from getting all nasty, you know, because if you're buffing out your car, you're using wax and that can just shoot all over the place and ruin your clothes. So you got a waterproof apron. Nice. Of course, you've got the instruction manual. And then next up, check this out. Look at all these pads that we have here. We've got a wave pad. We've got a flat sponge. You even have a piece of sandpaper. This is a 2000 grit, so that's super fine right there. Super fine. Okay. You've got some, let's see if I can get these out of here for you guys. You've got some microfiber polishing bonnets. There, that's easier. So, see, these are, I believe, the microfiber polishing bonnets. And look, you got a lot of stuff in here. Wait, look at it. It's just like pulling a rabbit out of a hat, right? I've got a ton of these. So you've got like, where is that other one? Where's the other one here? Oh, here it is. So you got these here. These are the Sherpa polishing bonnet and the coral fleece polishing bonnets. Got those. What do you got? Non-woven fabric polishing bonnet, microfiber polishing bonnet. What else do we have here? It's like, I think, synthetic wool polishing bonnet. Yeah, you got all these different polishing bonnets. It's really cool. I mean, so if you're gonna get out there and wax your car or whatever, you've got all the tools here to do that. Believe me. So the most important thing right here, though. There it is, right there. The cordless buffer polisher. So, yeah, it's kind of small. It's not very big. It's pretty lightweight. Let me see. There's a battery in here too. So we've got a 12-volt lithium battery here. Let's see, let me get it right. There we go. Nice. And then it's got these two buttons here. You just take them and squeeze them together, you know, like to pull it off. Let's see if I can even do it. Ready? Easy enough. Just pull them out like that. Piece of cake. Basically, these pads and sandpaper, whatever, it's just going to stick right here to your disc. Look at that. And that's going to stick on there pretty well too. Let me go ahead and put this on here. Yeah, there we go. Nice. But I'm not going to use this one today. I'm not going to use this today. I'll probably end up using maybe this one here, this wave sponge. I think that's going to suit my needs pretty well. So I believe this is 6 inches right there. Let me see. This is a 145 millimeter sticky disc. And of course, like right there it says 12-volt lithium battery, which we talked about a moment ago. And we'll get into some more about this buffer polisher. Look at that. How neat is that? So here's obviously your switch. Turn it on. I've got it at the highest setting right now. Look at this. I've got it on 6. This is a 6-speed adjustable setting here. So go to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. The orange and the red lights are illuminated. That means it has a medium charge. If it just had red, that would be a low. But that's not bad. We just took this out of the box and the battery already has a pretty good charge to it already. Check that out. Yeah, that feels good. That's light. This is super light. And the thing is, Let me see, let me turn this off. There's no cord attached to it, it's cordless. So you don't have to worry about a cord dragging around, tripping over it, hurting yourself, scratching your vehicle if you're buffing out your car. And yeah, it's very lightweight, very cool. It comes with a charger. Just plug it in, and then you take your battery out, of course, before you charge it. Pull that out, and right here on the top is a spot that you're going to plug into. You just plug that into the wall. Simple as that. Charge it up for the next time that you buff out your car, make it look nice. Yeah, it's kind of neat. I mean, that's actually more than neat. I like this. I like that a lot. Okay, so we've got the pads that just stick right on here. Man, pretty tough. That's on there. There we go. Okay, so this here, this bonnet, I think it's just gonna slide over the top here, over the top of the wheel like this. It's got elastic. There we go. All right. That's soft. That feels good. Okay. So that's as simple as that. It's on there pretty good. It's not going to just slide off or just come flying off, really. So I think we'll take this wave pad here, and we're going to take this right here to finish the job. Okay, so what I'm going to attempt to do is take this wave pad and clean this dirty, rotten, stinking mirror. You can't even see yourself in it. It's that bad. It's been out in this workshop for years. I'm gonna use a little dab of this is old crusty like car wax. I don't even know how it's gonna work at all. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here on my wave pad, and then I'll probably use this cordless buffer at about, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe put it at, I think it's already hitting me in the face. This stuff is hitting me in the face already. So I've got that at about, I got it at about a 3. So let's, you don't want to apply pressure. Let the cordless buffer do all the work, right? Nice and easy. We don't want to tear everything up. We don't want to damage the mirror. Nice and even. Nice and even. And already it's starting to look really good. It really is. Check that out. Wow. See if I can get in these corners here. I'll do my best. So I've got this bonnet on here. I'm going to finish it off with this and see how it turns out. Folks, as you can see yourself. It's a lot of C's, but the Saker cordless buffer and polisher did a great job. Look at it, it's lightweight. You can use it with one hand. It's a piece of cake, right? So if you're gonna go out there and polish your car, put a coat of wax on there, make it look beautiful, you could buff all day long with this thing. So with that being said, we highly recommend it here at the Ranch Network, the Saker cordless buffer polisher. And that's a review.